coriander? Yeah. They look like a sawtooth. For tom yum, you can eat them raw with lime and anything. In tom kha gai. But this is the one you have at home, everywhere in the world. Regala coriander. You can use any of them, but today I will use both. We have both. Pat krapao. I grow this at home. Pinch the flower and smell more hot. And this is a different species, but you can use both. Holy basil. In Thai we call mu yo, which is like from pork. More like we have different type of sausage here. But in English, when you Google it, it's like Vietnamese sausage. It's always showing up like this or like this. Because a lot in Vietnamese food, you know Vietnamese food.
Yes.
And this one in Thai, we call a name. Have you had this? It's sour pork.
Oh,
You know?
sour pork.
I love.
We wanted to eat
like
this.
that. So you can eat them like this, or you can stir fry with it.
Or grill, right?
Yeah, you cut. Oh, this one's good with the beer. You need to cook them. It's got to put in your mouth with garlic and butter. Actually, mwah. It's so good. Like a meatball, like pork, fish, beef, chicken. Thai people love this kind of thing. We fry them over barbecue, and you can make curry.
Yes.